Let me start with you, Deborah. What do you think is going to happen in that courtroom today? Because it's going to be jail or it's going to be rehab for Lindsay.
I don't agree with that. I think the judge is going to say she's in Betty Ford. I think he's going to take some recommendations of the representatives from Betty Ford to see how she's doing. I don't think they really say 30 days is enough out there. I think they push as a standard 90 days. My intelligent guess would be that he's going to continue this hearing for 60 days right before the Christmas holidays, perhaps December 20th, 21st, and he's going to say, we'll see you here in 60 days to see your status of rehab, and then we'll revisit your violation of the drug testing from a month ago. And frankly, AJ, if it is working at the Betty Ford Center, don't interfere with that. That's my guess.
No, I think everybody's in agreement on that. So instead of a court-mandated rehab, you think they may just have her stay where she is and not mess with it. It was a smart move for her to check herself into that Betty Ford clinic voluntarily, wasn't it, in terms of making a difference before the judge and trying to show that she is trying to help herself?
Well, AJ, Charlie Sheen did the same thing, and I agree with Vicky. A sentencing has to come. I don't think it's in Judge Eldon Fox's best interest today to make a sentencing. I think he should suspend or delay any further hearing on this matter until the conclusion of her rehab to see what she's doing. Because needless to say, it may have been a smart move for her to do the standard celebrity thing of, well, I'm going to check into rehab before he sends me to his rehab place and locks me in there. If he can lock her in and say this was working so far for 30 days, I'm going to lock you in and I'm going to order you to remain there for 60 days so he can keep control of the situation so she can't check herself out, then it's a good thing. And it's a good thing what she did and he did. Long story short, I just don't agree with Vicky that he's going to make any sentencing decisions today because, frankly, she needs 60 days more to prove to the court where she is with her drug problem.
But Debbie, we don't even know what her progress has been. Maybe she's not going to mandate
She hasn't left.
Well, she did try to go get a Coke, I think, Coca-Cola, but we don't know what her progress has been. So, you know, we have a lot of suppositions here, and we really don't know. The judge knows now, and we're waiting to see what he's going to do.
Vicky and I agree with one thing.
You think, Vicky, what do you agree on?
We agree on one thing, that rehab center is going to be the place that Lindsay stays for the time being.
The immediate place. But, Vicky, you think the judge should hang that threat of jail immediately over Lindsay's head for the future in case she doesn't pull it together in rehab, right?
Brooke, absolutely. I mean, look what she's done. It took 10 minutes to read her rap sheet. I mean, where is the girl going? I mean, she has to know that there is a hard end line here. You cannot continue violate probation. This goes back from a DUI from 2007.
I'm going to jump in because we have to end it there, but we're obviously going to keep an eye and see. Is it going to be jail? Is it going to be rehab for Lindsay Lohan this morning? Deborah Opri, Vicky Ziegler, thank you very much. Appreciate it.